Hello students, I am Priyanka Chaudhary from RBNB College, Srirampur. We are going to study here 11 Science Physics, chapter number 7, Thermal Properties of Matter. Now in this chapter, in the previous lectures of the chapters, we have studied about the basic introduction of thermal properties, then thermal expansion. In thermal expansion, there are three types of thermal expansion. First is linear expansion, second is areal expansion, and third is volume expansion. Now, in these three thermal expansions, there are three coefficients of thermal expansion: alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion, beta is the coefficient of areal expansion, and gamma is the coefficient of volume expansion. Now, we have studied all these three coefficients of expansion, thermal expansion. Now, we have to find the relation between these coefficients of expansion. That means we have to find the relation between alpha, beta, and gamma. So now we will find the relation between these coefficients. So we are finding the relations between the coefficients of expansion. So for this, first we will find the relation between alpha and beta, that is the relation between coefficient of linear expansion and the coefficient of areal expansion. So first point is relation between beta and alpha. We are finding the relation between beta and alpha. So to find this relation, we will consider a square plate having length L0 at 0 degree Celsius and LT at T degree Celsius. So we will consider a square plate of length L0 at 0 degree Celsius and length LT at T degree Celsius. So now, by considering these lengths, we will find the relation. So first, we know that from the linear expansion, we can write this formula as LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t. So we are writing this formula from the formula of coefficient of linear expansion, that is alpha. Now, if the length is L0, then the area of this square plate can be found out if area of square plate at 0 degree Celsius is A0. At 0 degree Celsius, A0. We know that area is equal to the square of the length. So A0 is equal to L0 square, because L0 is the length at 0 degree Celsius and area at 0 degree Celsius is A0. Similarly, at T degree Celsius, area is AT. Area is AT. So now, if AT is the area at T degree Celsius and LT is the length at T degree Celsius, so we can write here AT is equal to LT square. So we can find out the area at T degree Celsius, AT is equal to LT square. Now if we see here, we have the formula of LT, which is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T. So by using these two equations, we can write here AT is equal to LT square, which is equal to L0 square in bracket 1 plus alpha T bracket square. 1 plus alpha T bracket square. Now we have L0 square is equal to A0. So by substituting instead of L0 square A0, we can write the same equation AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T bracket square. Now similarly, we know that beta is the coefficient of areal expansion. So by considering the formula of coefficient of areal expansion, we can write here, so from coefficient of areal expansion we have, so what we can write here, AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus beta T. So we are writing this formula from the coefficient of areal expansion beta. Now suppose we can say this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now if we see here equation 1 and equation 2, so LHS of these two equations are same. So we can write RHS of these two equations are equal. So from equations 1 and 2, we have A0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T bracket square is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus beta T. So here A0 are the same thing or common, so we can cancel it. Then we will square this bracket by using the formula A plus B bracket square. So 1 plus alpha T bracket square is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha t plus alpha square t square is equal to 1 plus beta t. But alpha and t are very small, so alpha square t square can be neglected. So here we can write as alpha and t are small, alpha square t square can be neglected. So if we neglect alpha square t square, we can write from this equation one plus 2 alpha t is equal to 1 plus beta t. So from these equations, by comparing, we can write therefore beta is equal to 2 alpha. So this is the relation between the coefficients of expansion, areal expansion and linear expansion, that is beta and alpha, and we get beta is equal to 2 alpha. Similarly, we will find the relation between gamma and alpha. So now second point is relation between gamma and alpha. So to find the relation between coefficient of volume expansion and coefficient of linear expansion, we will consider a cube. So consider a cube of side L0 at 0 degree Celsius and LT at T degree Celsius. Now, by using the formula of coefficient of linear expansion, we can write here LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t. Now, suppose V0 is the volume of the cube at 0 degree Celsius and Vt is the volume of cube at T degree Celsius. So if V0 volume of cube at 0 degree Celsius, so we can write here V0 is equal to L0 cube. L0 is the length at 0 degree Celsius and V0 is the volume of cube at 0 degree Celsius. Therefore, V0 is equal to L0 cube. Similarly, Vt is volume of cube at T degree Celsius. So we can write Vt is equal to LT cube. We have the formula of LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t. So by using these two equations, we can write here Vt is equal to LT cube is equal to L0 cube in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket raised to 3. Now we have L0 cube is equal to V0. So we can substitute here. So therefore Vt is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket raised to 3. Now again we use the formula for the coefficient of volume expansion. So therefore from coefficient of volume expansion we can write Vt is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma t. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So now by comparing equations 1 and equations 2, we can write the LHS of equation 1 and equation 2 is same. So the RHS of equation 1 and equation 2 will be equal. So we can write here from equation 1 and 2, V0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket cube is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma t. Now in these two equations V0 is the common thing, so we can write in next step as 1 plus alpha t bracket cube is equal to 1 plus gamma t. Now we will use the formula of cube, that is a plus b bracket cube. So by using this formula we will write here 1 plus 3 alpha t plus 3 alpha square t square plus alpha cube t cube is equal to RHS is as it is, that is 1 plus gamma t. Now as alpha and t are very small, so we will neglect this square and cube terms of alpha and t. So therefore we can write here as alpha and t are small. So we can neglect these terms. So therefore 1 plus 3 alpha t is equal to 1 plus gamma t. Now here by comparing LHS and RHS we can write gamma is equal to 3 alpha. Gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So this equation gives us the relation between coefficient of volume expansion and coefficient of linear expansion. Similarly, we have find out beta is equal to 2 alpha. The relation between coefficient of areal expansion and coefficient of linear expansion. Now from these two equations we can write here alpha is equal to beta upon 2, which is equal to gamma divided by 3. So this equation gives the relation between three coefficients of thermal expansion. Alpha, coefficient of linear expansion, is equal to beta upon 2. Coefficient of aerial expansion is equal to gamma upon 3. Coefficient of volume expansion. So here we have find out the relation between the coefficients of expansion. So now the next point we will study in next lecture. Thank you very much.